Chalo, see. Yesterday I have told you about a coordinate geometry distance formula, right? If you don't have remembered, you can watch yesterday video, right? So now, say example number 1. Example number 1, page number 158. Page number 158. Saying, do the points, and what all are the points? 3, 2, -3, -2, -3, -2, -3, and 2, 3, and 2, 3 form a triangle. Achha. If form, then which kind of triangle it will be? Asking if, first saying these 3 points are given and asking is this 3 point can form a triangle, and if it is becoming a triangle, then which kind of triangle? Equilateral, isosceles, right angle. So first you should find it will form a triangle or not. So just to simply represent on the coordinate axis. First point, this is full positive. So I'm assuming here 3 will come and here 2 will come, right? So 1 point here I'm assuming 3, 2. This is a rough work. This is not, no need to take the scale and pencil and do. Correct. Achha, 1 point is here. Next point is -2, -3. -2. This in this coordinate it will come -2, -3. Then 2, 3. Again this coordinate only, but somewhere here, right? 2, 3. This is the rough work. Achha. We will give the name A, B, C. A, B, C. Just for our assumption, we are joining this because if it form, it will form like this only. Yes, na? If it form, it will form like this only. So what we will do? We will find the distance. We will find the AB, BC, and AC. You will find the distance AB, BC, and AC. So AB, BC, and AC. Correct, na? How to find distance? See the formula yesterday I given. I told if 2 points are there, x1, y1, x2, y2, then distance formula like this is PQ. If this is PQ, so PQ is equal to root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Yes, na? See, I subtracted this minus this. If you subtract x1 minus x2 also, answer will be same only. What I am saying, PQ x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Even then answer will be same only. Correct. So you are subtracting this minus this or this minus this. Answer will be same. Like not because of I am saying why it will be same. Because think like x2 is a small. Sorry, x1 is a small. X1 is so here you will get positive value. So positive by square is positive. But think if I get negative value. Negative value. So even the negative value of square, again it will become positive only. Negative value of square becomes positive. So either you subtract x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. Answer will be same. Correct? So now apply. I am finding AB. So -2 plus -3 square. Right now? Means this is -4. -4 square is 16. -6 -6 square is plus 36. Means root over 52. Root over 52 means how much? Root over 52. See, how to do root. Nearest root is what? 7. 7 7 ja 49. 7 7 ja 49. Nearest think. Correct. Think about nearest. So 49 plus 3 more is there. So shall I take 7.2? Approx I'm talking. Approx. It's not exact. Almost it will come like this. Correct na? Next find AC. Find AC. Means root over minus 2 minus 3 square plus minus 3 minus 2 square. Means this is 5. This is
5.
minus 5. So 25 plus 25 is equal to root 50. Root. So again see, same. So I take 7.1. Approx. 7.77 are 49, then 1 is remaining, so I have taken 1. Getting? Next one is BC. BC. Root over 2 minus 3 square, then 3 minus 2 square. Getting? Now this is 1 square. Minus 1 you will get, so minus 1 square is 1 only. This is plus 1, so plus 1 square is 1 only, so plus 1. Root over 2. Root over 2 is 1.414. Root over 2 is 1.414. Correct. So we get the AB, AC and BC. AB, AC and BC we have got. Correct na? Acha. Now what is the condition for becoming a triangle? Condition for becoming a triangle. The rule is sum of two sides. Sum of should be greater than third side. Sum of two side must be greater than third side. Correct na? Now add. If I am taking this two, so 7 plus 1, 8 become. Leave out the decimal terms. 7 plus 1, 8. So, and this is 8 is more than this. So according to this we can be able to get triangle. Achha, if we add this two, even then it is more, because 7 7 14, this is more than this. Yes or no? Achha, if I take this two, so 7 plus 1, 8, more than this. So of course it will form a triangle. But we'll write the region for forming a triangle. For forming a triangle, sum of two sides must be greater than third side, and that one you can get. So we can say ABC will form a triangle. ABC will form a triangle. Chalo, see next question. Saying, so the points 1, 7, 4, 2, minus 1, 1 and minus 4, 4 are the vertices of the square. Square. Achha. So square means what? Square means like all sides should be equal. Square means all sides should be equal. Achha. And other thing, both diagonal also must be equal. A square means all sides should be equal and diagonal also should be equal. So I am giving name A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. What we will do? We will find A, B, B, C, C, D and AD. Correct. If all four become equal means it is a square. No. Because rhombus also all sides are equal. Yes or no? If I go through rhombus, even then all sides are equal. Correct na? So just proving all sides are equal, we can't say it is a square. For proving it is a square, diagonal should also be equal. Correct na? Because in the rhombus, diagonals one will be long, one will be short. Correct. So first we should prove all sides are equal. So first which one I should find? AB root over 1 minus 4 square plus 7 minus 2 square. So this is 3. Be with me. This is 3. So 3 square is 9. This is 5. So 25. How much become? 34. Root over 34. Here 34 is what? Unit. 34. Even in this question also, this much unit you can say. This much unit. Actually, I'm thinking 52 will be not be 7.2, almost 0.1. Correct. Approx, so you can take like that. Correct, but it will be pakka 52 only. Acha, next. So we get AB, right? Next, BC. Say BC how to write? 4 plus 1 square plus 2 plus 1 square. Getting now? So 25 plus 9. Again root 34. Yes na? Yes or no? Next find CD. CD speak. Minus 1 plus 4 square plus minus 1 minus 4 square. Getting now?
Yes, sir.
Try to speak. If you not speak now, you can't able to understand. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So here 3 square is 9. This is minus 5. Minus 5 is
25.
minus 5 means minus 5 square is plus 25. So again root 34. Again root. Then which one remaining? AD. Speak what to write? Minus 4 plus 1 plus 4 minus 7. Yes na? Means this is 3 square. Minus 3.
3 square.
9. This is how much? Something is wrong. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 because x2 minus x1, right? So this is minus 5. So 25 and this is minus 3. So 9. So root over again 34. So see, all sides become equal.
Yes, sir.
All sides become, but after if you leave here we can't say this is the square. We should find the diagonals also, and if diagonals become equal we will say it is square. So now find AC. AC means 1 minus 1 square. Minus 1 or plus 1? Plus 1, because minus of minus plus. Then 7 plus 1 square. Yes na? Means this is 4. This is 4. This is 7 plus 1, 8 is 64. Yes na? Means root over 68. Root over 68. Acha. Find BD. Find BD. BD means root over 4 plus 4 square plus 2 minus 4 square. Yes na? So this is 8 square is 64 and this is minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 square is 4. So again root over 68. So we can say AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. So ABCD is a square. Is a square. Understood?
Yes, sir.
See example number 3. Example number page number 159. 159. If you have original NCERT book, it will be this page only. If you have duplicate one, then I don't know. Correct? See, saying figure 7.6 show the arrangement of desk in a classroom. Amisha, Bharti and Camilla are seated at A. Like one diagram is given. Correct? And 3 points is given. One here, and one here. 1 A, B, C. Coordinates are given 3, 1. Then 6, 4 and then 8, 6. 8, 6. Then saying respectively, do you think they are seated in a line? Do you think they are seated in a line? In a line means? In a line means we should check these 3 points are collinear or not. In a line means they are sitting in collinear way or not. Getting na? Acha. So how we will check it is collinear or not? How we can check it is collinear or not? So then remember, for checking collinearity, like I am writing a line A, B and C. For checking collinearity, find the distance between AB, then find BC, then find AC. AB, BC, AC. Correct na? Then what you should do? This is the first step. This is the first step. What you should find? Distance. Then what you do? Add a small part. AB plus BC. AB plus, if you get AB plus BC is equal to AC. AB plus BC is equal to, then we can say this line is collinear. This line is collinear. Correct na? Understood?
Sir.
So who will find? Who will find? I am just saying to find the distance AB. Can't able to find. Here the sound is not coming from mouth. Not me, you people I am talking. Like this, to don't know what will happen with man, you people. See, I am finding first AB. So first say what to write? 3 minus 6 square plus 1 minus 4 square. See, 3 minus 6 is 3, 9. 1 minus 4 is 3. So 3. So again 9. So 9 plus 9. Root 18.
Sir.
9 plus 9 is root 18. Can I write 3 root 2? Can I write 3 root 2? I explained same root 18 only many times. Next find BC. Means 6 minus 8 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square. Yes or no? So this is 2. This is means 4. This is also 2 means 4. So root over 8. Root over 8. How we can write? 2 into 2 into 2.
Sir.
Root over 8 is 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 root 2. Means 2 root 2. Getting? Acha, next. We should find AC. Yes, na? If we find it AB, we find it BC. Now we should find AC. So AC is how much? 3 minus 8 whole square plus 1 minus 6 square. Yes, na? 3 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Minus 5 square is plus 25. This is also minus 5.
Yes, sir.
So 25, 50. Root over 50. So root over 50, how I can write? See, 50 can be written 5 into 5 into 2. 5 into 5 into 2. So both 5, 1 5 came out. So can I write 5 root 2? 5 root 2. Understood or not? I am repeating again, but I will not write. 50, 5 into 5 into 2. 5 into 5 into 2. So if anything are the couple, that one will be coming out. So 1 5 taken out, root 2 not couple, so it is inside only. Yes or no?
Sir.
Now we should add AB plus BC means 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Yes or no?
Sir.
Now this is the summation of root. This we can add only that time when inside the root terms are same. If it is different, we can't add. Means like here, if root 2 is there, here root 3 is there, then we can't add. Getting? If inside terms are same, then only we can add. So 3 plus 2, 5 root 2. 5 root 2. So see, is it equal to AC? Is it equal to AC?
Yes, sir.
Means we can say this line are
Equal.
collinear. 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 Correct. Or according to the question we can say yes, these three children are sitting in a
Same line.
same line or same row. Yes or no?
Sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, copy. So sitting in same. See question example number 4, page number 160. 160 60. Saying where the question went. Find a relation between x and y. Find a relation between x and y such that the points x comma y is equidistant from 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. Equidistance means, see, there will be some line, there will be some, and line coordinates is given 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. 3 comma, this line coordinate is given. Somewhere some point is there x comma y. Somewhere some point is there x comma y, and saying which is equidistance. Which is equidistance. Equidistance means from here to here distance and from here to here distance is same only. Is same. Means if I saying this is A, this is B and this is C, means AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. Acha. Here in the question they have given it is equidistance. In the question they have given equidistance. Acha. But if they are saying some line is there, some line is there, and they are saying perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular. So how we do? In the construction we take more than half cut, we will get something like this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now on this line, whatever point we take, either this or this or this, correct, all will be equidistant from these 2 points. Means this and this will be equal, this and this also will be equal, this and this also will be equal. If I take this one also, even then it will be equal. Correct. If means on the perpendicular bisector any point I am taking, that will be equidistance from these 2 points. Getting? So if question comes like this also, you have to answer same. Yes or no? So come to this, here saying AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC. What we get to know here? AC is equal to BC. So first find AC. 7 minus x whole square. Yes or no? Plus 1 minus y whole square is equal to BC is how much? 3 minus x whole square and 5 minus y square, in between plus. Yes or no? Yes or no? That too here root and here also root. True? Now both side root is there. Both side. So root and root will be cancelled. Root and root will be cancelled. Now remain here 7 minus x whole square, 1 minus y whole square. Correct? And here 3 minus x whole square, here 5 minus y whole square. So how will you open this? By applying a minus b whole square formula. So see, 7 square is 49 minus 14x plus x square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Again a square minus 2ab plus b square plus b square. Getting? A space only become less. See, so here a square, be with me, a square minus 2ab. So 2ab means 2ab means what? 3 to the 6x. Then plus b square. Try to speak before me, not after me. No profit or repeating. Plus, this is 25. Then 2ab. 2ab means say how much? 2ab means how much? Are 5 2 ja 10. 2 minus 10y plus y square. Plus y square. Getting? Acha, now try to cancel. Plus x square. Plus x square. Barsat. Plus y square. Plus y square. Getting? Any more thing can we cancel? So now 49 plus 1 50.
Yes, sir.
What 9 plus 1?
50.
50. Okay, so write plus 50. Then just remain minus 14x. Yes or no? Minus 14. Acha, minus 2y also remain, right? Yes or no? Acha, this side what remain? Minus 6x minus 10y and 25 plus 9. 25. How much? Repeating after me. At least I am asking that time. Say. Correct. Now bring all the terms one side. Or at least xy bring one side. So minus 14x plus 6x minus 2y plus 10y is equal to 34 minus 50. 34 minus now here plus 4 minus 14 plus 6 minus 14 plus 6 how much? 14 minus 6 how much? Now speak it x. Here minus minus 2y plus 10y minus 2 plus 10 how much? 10 minus 2 how much? Is equal to here 50 minus 34 is 16. 50 minus 34 is that too minus 16. Yes or no? See, all are multiple of 8. All are multiple of can I take 8 out? So minus x plus y is equal to minus 2. Yes na? Now both sides are multiplying with minus. Both sides are multiplying with so x minus y is equal to 2. This you get the relation between x and y. Getting? See example number 5. Question is saying find a point on y-axis. Find a point on y-axis which is equidistant from a 6, 5 and b minus 4, 3. Minus 4, 3. Correct na? And saying where you should find the point? On y-axis. On y-axis. Acha. So same question. Like this is y-axis, this is x-axis. Y-axis, x-axis. And these 2 points are equidistant. These 2 points are means this line will be something here. Somewhere, right? Means one point I am taking a 6, 5 and b minus 4. Actually minus 4 how it will come here, right? Yes or no? So take like this point 6, 5. This is a and b minus 4, 3. Correct na? Achha, saying we should find the point on the y-axis means somewhere on the y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Correct, and that are equidistant also. That are distance also. Then means if you join from here to here and here to here, yes na? This both will be same. Means here also it will be AC will be equal to BC. AC will be equal to BC. True or not?
Yes, sir.
The question is saying equidistance. Acha. But here is the one thing. One thing is given in the question already. This is much more easier than this. Much more easier. How? Saying point is on the y-axis only. Point is on the y-axis. Now, if I say 2, what is the coordinate of this? So, on y-axis, value of x always 0. On the y-axis, value of x always 0. So coordinate will be 0, y. Coordinate will be 0, y. Understood? If it is on the x-axis, so what is the coordinate? On the x-axis, value of y always 0. So it will be x, 0. Understood? If the question is saying it is equidistance from x-axis, correct? Means that coordinate will be x, 0. Getting? Yes or no? Acha, now find. So AC means 6 minus 0 square. Yes or no? Plus 5 minus y square. That to root is equal to BC. Minus 4 minus 0 square plus 3 minus y square root. Yes na? See now, if you are not knowing the distance formula, you can't able to do. Correct? Now this and this is cancel. So at 6 square is 36 plus, open this, 25 plus minus 10y, 25 minus 10y plus y square. Here 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16 plus 9 minus 6y plus y square plus y square. Y square cancel. Y square cancel. Now minus 10y minus this side plus 10y. This side how has become 4y. How has become 4y. Now this is 16 plus 9, 25. 16 plus 9. Bring this 25 this side. Bring this 25. So plus 25 minus 25 get cancel. Yes or no? This side plus 25, this side. So minus 25 plus 25 cancel. Can you cancel this and this directly? Yes, no? So what remain here? 36. Yes, na? So y is equal to 9 for the. Understood? So we get the value of y. Now we'll do exercise number 7.1. Exercise 7.1. Actually all question are same like what we done in the example. Same question here also. So but I will say you try to do try to do this question by yourself. Correct? If you not do, no profit. Directly I am saying, if you don't do thinking okay I should copy from the board, keep copying, but profit will not be there. So example number 1. Find the distance between the following pair of points are given 2, 3, 4, 1. Try to find first. 2, minus 5, 7 and minus 1, 3. Point number 3, a, b and minus a, minus b. Anybody get answer of anyone? Still thinking only you should write also or not, right? So AB is equal to root over 2 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. Means this is 2 square is 4. This is also 2 square is 4. So root over 8. See, keep thinking. This is A, this is B. So AB is equal to root over minus 5 plus 1 square and plus 7 minus 3 square. 7 minus 3 square. How much? This is 4. This is 4. 4 means 16. This is also 4. Again 16 means root over 32. Root over, see, this is assume A, this is B. So A minus of minus A, so plus A square plus B minus of minus B, so plus B square root. This is AB is equal to, right? Means A square plus B square root. Here we can't cancel the root. A square is here and a square is here, right? But here we can't cancel. If a square on the both, then only you can cancel. Getting? Yes or no? So question number 1 done. Puppet. Question number 2. Question number 2. What is saying? Find the distance between the point 0, 0. Find the distance between the point 0, 0. Means actually where 0, 0 will come, do you know? This point. This is x axis, this is y axis, means this point is 0, 0. This is called origin. This is called origin. So saying to find the distance between point 0, 0 and somewhere 36, 15. 36, 15. Getting? Yes or no? Then saying, can you now find the distance between the 2 point A and B discussed in 7.2? Now I don't know where the section 7.2. Okay, whatever. So just we'll find the distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15. Yes, na? Find what is a square of 36? Square of 36.
6.
A square of 36. 36 into 36 I am saying to find. See here. So AB is equal to 36 minus 0 square plus 15 minus 0 square. Correct, na? That too root also. Correct. Means 36 a square plus 15 a square. So 36 a square how much? Anybody find it? 6 6 are 36. 3 18 18 दूनी 36. Heading is equal to yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you're getting AB is equal to 1521. Correct. And I 100% I can say this is not the perfect square. Not the perfect because or it is the perfect square.
No, sir.
Acha, this thing you can check. Yes or no?